Hello everyone, welcome back to part 2 of this video. To start, the screws that were holding this faceplate on are missing, and there was some damage to the leather underneath. The handle was also broken, and in general the case needed a lot of TLC. These are the screws that held the handle onto the case. There was a lot of rust and old glue on them, so I'm going to let them soak in some alcohol to help dissolve that glue. And while those were soaking, I made the handle as well as cleaned up that faceplate. I obviously didn't want this to look brand new, so I left some tarnish in the crevices. This was the leather dressing that I used. I'm not affiliated with the company at all, but it did a pretty good job. Here's the case after one coating. It already looks a lot better. Here are the handle screws. They cleaned up very well. And now I think it's time to put it all back together. Here's a quick before shot. And the final product. I think it turned out nicely, and more importantly, it's functional again. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments what you thought. And I'll see you next time.